Hi, Logan from Reef Breeders here, and in this video we're going to go over a quick general unboxing of the Wi-Fi dosing bundle. For more information, we have a more detailed guide video available on how to set these up. We also have a separate guide video available on how to set up the programming and work with the Wi-Fi app. First, we're going to start with a brief unboxing and go over some of the components included with your dosing bundle. Here we have our tubing holder, our dosing pump, and the dosing container. Let's start with unboxing the dosing pump. So you're going to want to open it from the front just like this and fold the top back. So here we have the manual, little sign here that tells you which way the dosing pumps are rotating, a template for hanging your dosing pump, and here's the dosing unit itself. Now we'd like to note that when you do remove it, the spindles are in their protective packaging, so it's imperative that you remove it at an angle. So pull it up and out just like this. And just kind of gently work it up. And then once you get it at about a 45-degree angle, you're going to pull it straight out and reveal the unit itself. Also included is about 10 to 15 feet of tubing, a measurement vial for your calibration, a power supply, five dosing heads total, so you have 4 for your pump and then 1 for a spare, mounting screws and check valves. Next we have the dosing container, and you'll see they're very well packed. The dosing container also includes about 5 feet of orange decorative tubing. Thank you for watching. For more information on the CoralBox Wi-Fi dosing pump and the Wi-Fi dosing bundle, visit us at www.reefbreeders.com.